To use keyboard Clipboard on Pixel 10a, all you have to do is just to click on this square button, and right now, take a look. We have to search for this specific icon, we have to click to continue, and grant access for this. Now, we have to do this just one more time to open it, and now as you can see, we can find a our recent copies of the text. If I'm gonna click and hold it, I can pin that. So if I'm gonna copy multiple things like 20 phrases, then this pinned will be always at the top, especially useful when you often paste something, the same text actually. And now if I want to paste it, I have to just click here and it will be fulfill that text pool that I'm actually selected. And that's actually how it looks. Now if I want to take it off, I can do this easily. And if you want to put some phrase into the clipboard, you have to just simply click and hold it. Like if I got Real Madrid 2016, I have to select copy, and now it will be automatically moved into the clipboard. You can quickly also change it by clicking here. You can, for example, remove that pinned items, this phrases actually, and you can quickly turn off and turn on clipboard by clicking on this switcher.